How to fix NFC is not working in Huawei Nova 13. So let's start the video. First of all, enable your NFC. Now open settings. In settings, you can see the option more connections. Now click on it. And then on top you can see the option NFC. Now click on it. Now here you can turn on or off your NFC. After turning on your NFC, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system updates. Now on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and then click on reset, and then click on reset all settings, and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.